Hi everyone! In this episode, ang titikman natin dalawang craft beer na coffee stout. This one is made by Pule, craft beer brand na gawang Batangas City. And the other one is made in Iligan City. This one is made by Fat Polly. So this is also coffee stout. Look, we have a friendly dog. So this dog, paikot-ikot lang siya dito kanina pa sa around our camp. Before we continue, I want to thank the sponsor of this episode. This episode is brought to you by The Preserve here in Cayabo, Tanay. Kung naghahanap kayo ng legit na camping experience na malapit lang sa Metro Manila, definitely check this out. Product of Batangas. Pule is a craft beer brand na gawa sa Batangas. 7% ABV, Kapeng Barako Stout, Liberica coffee beans of Batangas with strong notes of coffee, cacao, and roasted malt. Let's see the color kung gaano ka-dark itong stout na to. Yan, it's very dark. Medyo maasim ang amoy niya. Na amoy kape. Yeah, hindi lang siya amoy maasim, talagang lasang maasim nga siya. So I guess ganun talaga ang lasa ng mga kapeng Liberica, kapeng Batangas. Medyo maasim nga. Pero of course, lasang beer pa rin yan. Nangingibabaw pa din yung lasa ng beer. Yes, sarap. I can say na medyo malapit yung lasa nitong coffee stout na to sa Cerveza Negra. But this one is a little bit lighter when it comes to the flavor. And also yung mouthfeel niya, hindi ganun ka kapal sa loob ng lasa ng bibig. Yung unang tikim lang medyo maasim talaga, yun yung pinakaunang impression. But after a while, yung asim medyo nawawala na, napapalitan na ng yung natural or normal na pait ng kape. Yun yung lasa niya. This is Pule Coffee Stout. Okay, beer number 2. This is Fat Polly's Sultan Coffee Stout. This is 7.8% ABV. Mas mataas siya ng konti. It doesn't say here kung anong klaseng coffee beans ang ginamit sa pag-add ng flavor dito sa stout na to. Mas makapal yung foam niya, yung head. It's just as dark, but I'm seeing a little bit of hints of reddishness. It smells different. Parang may nasisense ako na may pagka-smoky yung aroma niya. Mas amoy kape itong Fat Polly's. I feel like mas complicated yung aroma niya. Hindi lang amoy maasim. I'm excited to taste this. Cheers. Yeah, mas complicated yung lasa niya. Mas mapait. Hindi lang puro asim ang natitikman. Mas mapait siya, mas bitter. I don't know how to explain it, pero that's what I feel, mas smoky. I feel like mas nakukuha niya yung sense ng brewed coffee nitong Fat Polly's. So I like this better than the other one, than Pule. And also yung mouthfeel niya, it's more flavorful, mas malasa, mas marami yung, mas bumabalot yung flavors ng lasa inside the mouth and inside the throat. Masarap. I like this better than Pule. Pero masarap din naman yung Pule. Hindi ko naman sinasabi na hindi siya masarap. Pule versus Fat Polly's. Both are good coffee stouts. But I preferred one over the other. I prefer Fat Polly over Pule. By the way, this is the first time we are doing camping. Malapit lang siya. If you want a day trip or a weekend trip ng chill night camping, punta kayo dito sa The Preserve at Tanay, Rizal. Check out their Instagram page and their Facebook page. I will link a live. Good morning. It's 6 a.m. It's very refreshing to wake up to the sounds of the river. Those are clouds or fogs. Yung mga baba sa river. So pagkatapos natin mag-coffee stout kagabi, this morning, totoong kape naman.